This week we've got some super fresh and fun ideas to do with your little ones. Today we're doing water activities with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. For the first activity you'll need a plastic bin, some colorful balls, a large spoon, a permanent marker, some Velcro dots, and optionally some number cards. We'll start by sticking a Velcro dot onto a ball. Make sure it's stuck really well. Then use the permanent marker to write a number on the opposite side of the ball. Perfect! Repeat this step with 10 balls. And of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now toss all the balls into a bin filled with water. You can do this activity without the water, but they love it so much more like this. Then put in a large spoon so the kids can scoop the balls out. But before we show you how to play, we're going to prep another key part of the activity. Let's stick Velcro to the wall. To protect the wall, you can add some tape or painter's tape underneath, but that part is optional. Now attach the other side of the Velcro so the balls will stick later. This next part is optional too, but I like to add a number line above the Velcro so kids can match the numbers. For an extra challenge, you could place quantity cards instead of numerals, or ask them to complete the activity with no examples at all. And now ask your little ones to scoop out a ball and find the matching number on the line. They'll start realizing the numbers go in order and get a better sense of which numbers come before and after. Plus, they'll have a blast taking turns scooping the balls out. What do you think? Let's go to the next idea. You'll need a napkin or paper towel, watercolors, water, white acrylic paint, and a paintbrush. What we're going to do is use a fine paintbrush and white acrylic paint to draw something on the paper towel. The fun part is that you can barely see the design when you paint it like this, but once you add watercolors over it, the drawing magically appears. The final effect is awesome! You can also hide letters or words for your kids to discover. There are so many ways to use this idea. Have you tried it before? By the way, remember we've got tons of activities on our channel, and all of our videos are available in both English and Spanish. Don't miss them when you finish watching this one. Now let's go to our last idea. You'll need a napkin, watercolors, water, scissors, and a small piece of cardstock. Since we loved how it felt to paint on absorbent paper with watercolors in the last activity, we wanted to try this idea too, and it didn't disappoint. Cut out any shape you want using the cardstock and use it as a stencil to block out a shape on the napkin. We made a heart. Now paint around it using all the colors of the rainbow. Once you remove the heart, it looks so cool. It's kind of like one of those tie-dye t-shirts, and we love it. And as always, your kids can use any shapes and colors they want. It always turns out super fun. Have you tried any of these ideas before? Tell us in the comments. We'll see you in a few days with a new video in Spanish. Don't miss it. See you soon!